Friends, let's color this nature drawing of Zinnias in triad color scheme. Now let's first give a plain water wash. Let it dry for some time. We can also use a hair dryer for drying this. We have to imagine from where light comes. Then accordingly we have to color this. We have to color it in 3 tones. We can also intermix the colors, 3 colors. You get a shadow here when the petal folds. Below that you get a shadow. If you add more water, you get a tint of the same color. We have calculated that light comes from the right side. So accordingly, light will fall more on the right side. So I have added bluish purple for the shade. It looks more natural and beautiful. See, there is a fold here, you can see. So below that fold it will be darker. Any painting, any color work should be observed from a distance. Then only you will get a clear idea. We'll do it a bit slowly because one who is listening, one who is learning, we should give enough time for them to grasp. So, for beginners, I mean, you are not a beginner, you know everything, but there might be some beginner who wants some time to grasp what is being taught. So we have seen 3 tones here. Add more water, you get lighter tone. Add the original hue and or the mixture of hues and you get a darker. So mid-tone I have given from here. Later we can give the textures and we can also go through the scientific terms later. First let's learn how to textures can be given added like this later. First let's get through this. Permanent orange with bluish purple here. Reverse. Mid-tone. Mid-tone. I am not giving it much time to get dried. I like to handle it like a wet on wet painting. In transparent colors, the transparency of watercolor should be maintained on the shade because this is below. So this side naturally you'll have below this petal. So this part will be darker definitely. And you have some lines here, vertical lines. It goes straight like this. These bends again. This is below this fold, so here it will be dark. Again here it will be dark because there is a fold here. Wherever you get folds, yes. This is a very beautiful twisted and turn leaf. You add a lot of water for a light tone. It carries more of yellow in it, of yellow green. Give yellow green, and on this side a bit of this just to show it there's a kind of shining on the stem. Once this gets dried up, you can give the vertical lines. Some bends and curves. If you touch a bit with bluish purple here, it will look very much natural from far. We can go for vertical lines. Before that, let's complete this portion. Now it's evident that this is behind it. Now these vertical lines, each and every line need not be seen. On the whole, it should be understood that there are some lines here, but these bends should not look plain. This curvature should be seen. See, there is a curvature here. There is a slight curvature here. So there, if you give a bit of shade, it will look really natural. Nature drawing should look natural. Some, it's a bit hairy, some of them. This is final touch up. Look a bit decorative. If we overdo it, it loses freshness. So we will have to stop somewhere, isn't it? So let's stop here abruptly.